Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. For today, we have a second recording. It is another hit I found only in CW. I'm not sure if it is available in OF or other UHRS vendors, but let's jump into this really quickly. It'll only take four hits for you to pass the quali. It is called Satori version 2 Defect Hit app. It is a very easy hit to work on. Before we proceed, please do not forget to subscribe to our tutorial channel and like or hit that notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. And also, our Facebook group is ClickWorker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. Please join there if you want to participate in our weekly challenge wherein we encourage everyone to earn as much as they can. Let's jump into the hit. So the question here is, does the website correctly represent the entity? Uh, Entity is Saint Peter Church Haswell. Click on this one. You need to click on the official website URL. It's taking a while to load, but this one pays 3 cents per hit. And currently, there is not much hit available. I think it's only 50 hits, but it's a good thing to qualify on this as we speak. We do not know how many hits they would have in the future. Uh, Saints Peter, obviously, the answer here is website doesn't belong to the entity. So click on this one and hit submit. All right, we got it right. Moving on to the next one. Let me close this window here. It is Regional Council of Lombardy. Website is haswellparish.co.uk. Definitely, this is this one website doesn't belong to entity, and Alt Tush or Tushy band. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I'm not a native English speaker. So the website belongs to AMT Golzo. And going back here, it talks about this entity. So website doesn't belong to the entity. Oh my goodness. All right, we got one mistake. I'm not sure if we are going to pass this one. Let's try this one. Batchewana First Nation. Julius Bay 151. Uh, I am going to go with website doesn't belong to the entity. What? Why so? It's weird, guys. Well, we passed the qualification. Again, the name of the hit is Satori version 2 Defect Hit app. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Ghost, the freelancer. Thank you again, and I appreciate you being here, watching the video, supporting every time I do upload, and providing feedbacks on those areas where I can improve on. Again, my name is Ghost. Thank you for watching. Have a good weekend. Bye for now.